Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. The price line of Sia is dropped at a very strong support of a very big channel. And in today's video, I want to share this move with you and we will analyze whether the price line will break it down or it will have a reversal move from here. And I also want to share a very nice entry that we can also buy Sia before breaking out the resistance of this channel, and I'll show you how we can find a very nice entry to buy Sia at this support. But before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, I would like to recall my previous analysis that I shared in the month of July with my members at the Patreon. And I also have been sharing this pattern with you in my previous videos as well, when the price action of Sia completed a very big harmonic bullish reversal bad move on the weekly time frame, and it was moving at the very end of the buying zone. Therefore, this was a very low risk and high reward trading idea. Now you can see at that time it was moving almost at 1 cent, and as per the Fibonacci sequence I defined these sell targets, these targets were from 3 cents to 5.2 cents. Now after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well. After the first rally, it was dropped down, had a correction approximately up to 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, and after dropping down in the golden pocket or golden ratio, it rallied again and hit the sell target here and dropped down. Now while moving down, it has also formed an up channel. You can see that here we have a rejection, here, and we have another rejection here as well. Let me just show you on the live weekly time frame chart. And if we can see that here we have few rejections at resistance, and here we have some bounces at the support, and right now the price line is again dropped at the support. Here I have also placed a trend line, and you can see that this trend line is at 1.4 cents. That is really very important support, because previously here it has been breaking as a very strong resistance, and right now the price line is again dropped at this support. Therefore, there is a very high probability that the price action will have a reversal from here. Now if we take a look at the RSI oscillator, then we can observe that the price action is forming higher lows. Even the current low is higher than the previous low. Now if we take a look at this oscillator, the RSI oscillator, then here it formed a higher low than previous low, but the current low is lower than previous low. Let me replace this trend line and it will be more visible for you. You can see that it is forming lower than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence appeared on this long-term weekly time frame chart. That is another signal that the price action can have a reversal from here. Now at the same time, while we are at the support of a very big channel, the price line has also formed on the 4-hourly time frame this falling wedge pattern. So this can be a very nice entry, that while we are at the support, if the price action breaks out this falling wedge with a powerful volume, that will be a confirmation that now the price line can start the next rally, at least up to the resistance of this channel. For example, if the price line rallies up to this channel, then it will be approximately at 2.7 or 8 cents. However, if the price action breaks out this channel, then I'm expecting that from this low when the price action touched here and to this high when the price line reached up to this resistance of the channel for the first time after hitting the support, then this can be our next target approximately at 4.3 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. Take care. Goodbye.